At Ranch Hand Robotics, we're recharging a classic. The popular Visual Studio Code extensions for ROS is getting a bold new life. We're introducing the Robot Developer Extensions, or RDE, for Visual Studio Code. These extensions are tools that are specific to developing robotics-related software and are designed to cut your effort, boost your efficiency, and help you build safer, more capable robots. The original extension is being refactored into 3 extensions for better support moving forward. For ROS1 users, RDE for ROS1 keeps the legacy alive, supporting older Visual Studio Code installations as well as legacy Python and Ubuntu, so you can maintain your existing code and innovate without breaking a stride. We're working on AI-assisted tooling to help you migrate your ROS1 packages to ROS2. Developer extensions for ROS2 are refactored for modern toolchains. The ROS2 extension is being enhanced to support debugging lifecycle nodes, graph introspection, selective node control, and support for new languages. Additionally, we're working on extensible AI to help you identify problems in your workspace. The robot developer extensions for URDF help you bring your designs to life. Edit and visualize URDF and Zacro files without requiring ROS to be installed. You can interact with your robots to tweak joints, check collision, and export to simulators like NVIDIA's Isaac Sim. And you can even explore your creations in virtual reality. With the support of Copilot extensions, leverage AI assistance to streamline the process of designing and articulating your robot. To simplify deployment, the robot developer environment binds these and future extensions into a one-click install from within Visual Studio Code. These extensions are available today in pre-release with more extensions on the way. Want to see them grow even faster? Pitch in, share your thoughts, spread the word, and if you can, back us on GitHub or Patreon to fuel more investment in these extensions and to create educational content. Stay tuned as we do deep dives into each of these extensions, as well as the rapidly evolving robotics ecosystem.